Every class, we have students that have taken other classes and now have to retake this class in order to get licensed. My name is Julia Dziuk, and I've been a permanent makeup artist for about 30 years. I got into educating other people in this field because a lot of the education was poor. We shouldn't practice on our paying clients. I had no guidance, I had no mentor, I didn't have anyone to turn to for any questions, because that's really the key. That's the difference. See, our courses are designed and tailored to your needs or to your state's needs. If your state requires another 100, 200, 300 hours of apprenticeship in order to get licensed, we can provide you with that as well.